Wallace, and I'm excited to say that after 5 years of riding around the world, going to 6 of the 7 continents on my motorcycle, Shifty Drifty here, I am finally back in the United States, and I'm going to be doing a tour through the western United States with my good friend Alicia Sornosa from Spain. We're going to start in Los Angeles, work our way through California, Oregon, Washington, Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, Colorado, Utah, and Arizona. We're going to be visiting a lot of the major national parks in the West. We're going to be going to Glacier and the Tetons, Jackson Hole, Yellowstone, of course, the Grand Canyon and North Rim, Monument Valley, Moab, Zion, you name it. We're going to go visit it. We're zipping through, camping through the redwoods. We're going to go to Napa. We're going to visit Seattle. We'll probably drop in on Creative Live. It's going to be epic. So if you want to be a part of it, just watch on either my website, markonabike.com, or if you want this in Spanish, then watch on Alicia's website, aliciasornosa.com. Here are the links to both of those websites. We're going to be updating with videos along the way to show you all of our adventures and travels and trials and tribulations and the fun that we're going to be having. And we want you to join us either by following along on the blog and posting comments, asking questions, joining us on Instagram. We're going to be doing Instagram live sessions. We're going to be going live on Facebook and YouTube. And also, if we're in your city, then you can come hang out with us, have a beer, have a coffee, ride along. If you have a motorcycle, we want you to be involved. We're starting in about 2 weeks or so. We're waiting for some things to be cleared up with Customs and the Department of Transportation and the EPA. Once all that's done, we're going to hit the road and take off. So make sure you check it out, markonabike.com or aliciasornosa.com, and we want to see you. Thanks so much, and I will see you soon.